What does it take to conquer the ocean and build a $20 billion mega structure? Welcome to China's $20 billion deep-sea bridge construction, a 34-mile engineering marvel that defied the impossible. This isn't just a bridge. It's a massive bridge tunnel system designed to link three global economic powerhouses. Built to withstand the world's most violent typhoons and deadly earthquakes, it boasts a 120-year lifespan. At $20 billion, it is the longest sea crossing on Earth, dwarfing massive American infrastructure projects. But to build it, engineers had to solve a logistical nightmare, creating an open-sea fixed link in one of the busiest shipping lanes. The solution? 4 massive artificial islands, 3 cable-stayed bridges, and an invisible underwater highway. This project aimed to slash a grueling commute down to just 40 minutes, creating a massive 1-hour economic circle. But turning this 80 billion yuan dream into a reality required risking lives in the most dangerous waters on the planet. This is the definitive, step-by-step story of how the world's most impossible deep-sea bridge was actually built. The master plan began with a monumental challenge: bridging the Lingding and Zhuhai channels. In late 2009, the green light was given. The largest construction armada in history assembled. The first step was building the artificial islands. For this, they brought in the Octokong, the world's largest vibratory driver. Instead of traditional slow dredging, engineers used a groundbreaking large-diameter steel cylinder method. 120 massive steel cylinders, each as tall as a 10-story building, were driven straight into the seabed. The sheer force required to penetrate the ocean floor was staggering, shaking the very bedrock. Once the perimeter was secured, millions of tons of sand were pumped in to displace the water. This revolutionary method allowed an entire island to rise from the depths in just 7 months. 2 of these artificial islands were constructed at record speed, serving as the critical anchor points. But connecting these islands to Hong Kong posed a massive threat. The bridge was directly in the flight path of the international airport. The only solution was to go to the bottom and build a 4-mile-long tunnel directly under the seabed. Massive dredging ships were deployed to carve a massive trench into the ocean floor.
Meanwhile, on land, an army of workers began casting the immersed tube tunnel segments.
These weren't normal pipes. Each massive segment weighed 80,000 tons. Every ounce of concrete and steel was engineered to be completely watertight and withstand immense deep-sea pressure. Once cast, the dry docks were flooded, allowing these concrete leviathans to float.
Navigating these massive segments through the busy, treacherous ocean currents was a logistical nightmare.
One wrong move, and months of work and millions of dollars would sink to the bottom of the ocean. Above the trench, specialized pontoon ships locked onto the massive concrete segment. Using precise GPS and winch systems, the 80,000-ton tube was slowly lowered into the abyss. The margin for error was virtually zero. The segments had to align within fractions of an inch. As the segments touched, huge rubber gaskets compressed, creating a watertight seal through massive hydraulic pressure.
Workers then entered the dark, newly formed void beneath the sea to permanently lock the steel joints.
Once locked, the trench was backfilled with rocks and armor plating to protect it from sinking ship anchors. With the impossible tunnel underway, the focus shifted to the 22-kilometer main bridge.
To support the massive viaducts, heavy-duty board piling rigs were brought into the open water.
Giant steel casings were driven deep into the bedrock to form the foundational roots of the bridge. But there was a catch. Engineers had to bury the massive pile caps entirely within the seabed. This was a strict environmental mandate to protect the endangered Chinese white dolphins navigating the channel. To build the bridge spans safely and quickly, the team used pre-stressed precast pier construction. Instead of pouring concrete over the dangerous ocean, entire bridge sections were built safely on land. They were lowered onto the foundations with millimeter precision, drastically cutting down construction time. Pier by pier, the massive skeletal spine of the bridge began to march across the Pearl River Delta. But the shipping channels required massive clearance, demanding 3 monumental cable-stayed bridges. Erecting these towers required thousands of tons of steel, welded by hand in extreme open ocean conditions. The towers were given unique designs, like the massive steel dolphin tower, honoring the local marine life. Next came the tensioning of the massive stay cables, the lifelines that hold the bridge deck suspended in mid-air. Each cable is capable of holding millions of pounds, engineered to withstand Category 5 super typhoons. And nature tested them brutally. During the 9-year build, the site was repeatedly battered by violent typhoons. Work had to be halted, equipment evacuated, and the unfinished structure left to face the wrath of the ocean. But the engineering held. The 120-year design proved indestructible against the elements. On the Hong Kong side, workers used extreme box-jacking techniques to push the tunnel beneath the active airport express line. They literally pushed massive concrete boxes through the earth, millimeters at a time, without disrupting the trains above. Above ground, massive prefabricated modules were lifted to form the sweeping roof of the passenger clearance building. Every single inch of the 55-kilometer span had to be surveyed and verified for structural integrity. By mid-2016, the project was approaching a massive milestone: the closing of the bridge gap. The final massive steel box girder was hoisted high into the air, a perfectly engineered puzzle piece. When it locked into place in July 2016, the main bridge structure was finally continuous. But the most dangerous phase remained: installing the final tunnel joint deep underwater. This massive wedge piece had to fit perfectly between the 2 tunnel ends to seal the underwater highway forever. As the hydraulic rams compressed the massive seals, the ocean was locked out. In May 2017, the final joint was secured. The longest immersed tube tunnel in the world was complete. The massive 55-kilometer beast was finally linked from shore to shore.
But this monumental achievement came at a heavy cost.
Over the grueling 9-year construction period, 19 workers lost their lives to the treacherous conditions. Their sacrifice is cemented into the very foundations of this modern wonder of the world.
With the main structure complete, the massive paving operation began.
Specially formulated asphalt was laid down, designed to resist extreme heat and heavy commercial traffic. Inside the tunnel, miles of high-tech safety lighting, ventilation fans, and fire suppression systems were installed. Massive boundary crossing facilities and toll plazas rose on the artificial islands, built to process thousands of cars.
The final touches were applied as the 3 governments prepared for the grand opening.
On February 6, 2018, the entire massive construction project was officially declared complete. Months later, in October, the world watched as the $20 billion megastructure finally opened its gates. Instantly, the grueling multi-hour journey by ferry or winding coastal roads was a thing of the past. Travelers now dive beneath the sea,
driving through the impossible underwater highway.
Emerging onto the open ocean, the journey between Hong Kong and Macau takes just 40 minutes.
Operating 24 hours a day, it has transformed the Greater Bay Area into a unified economic powerhouse.
To the engineers and the muscle that built it, it stands as a testament to human sheer will. It conquered flight paths, extreme depths, super typhoons, and deadly ocean currents. A $20 billion gamble that pushed the absolute limits of civil engineering. Today, it handles massive volumes of private cars, shuttle buses, and heavy freight.
The Hong Kong Port artificial island alone is a marvel, a massive hub of international transit. Even enveloped in heavy ocean fog, the bridge's structural integrity remains uncompromised.
Beneath the surface, the carefully buried foundations continue to protect the delicate marine ecosystem.
Maintenance crews work constantly to ensure the 120-year lifespan is realized.
Every bolt, every cable, and every inch of concrete is monitored by state-of-the-art sensors.
The Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge is more than just steel and concrete. It is the culmination of nearly a decade of relentless, back-breaking labor.
From a visionary concept in the 1980s to the longest sea crossing in human history. A project so massive, it required the financial might of 3 massive governments and a global banking consortium.
An impossible tunnel, built where bridges couldn't go. Artificial islands, built in months instead of years.
And an army of workers who braved the open ocean to build the impossible.
Connecting cities, connecting economies, and connecting the future. Built to survive the worst nature can throw at it. And built to last for generations to come. The tension in the cables holds the weight of a massive engineering triumph. Defending the gateway to the underwater abyss. A concrete dragon snaking its way across the Pearl River Delta, allowing the lifeblood of global trade to flow freely beneath it. A point where the sky meets the seafloor.
A seamless transition from the darkness of the deep sea to the open sky. Engineered down to the millimeter for a flawless journey.
A masterclass in problem-solving and spatial engineering. The legacy of the men who built it will stand for over a century. A $20 billion monument to human ambition. An underwater fortress of concrete and steel. The longest sea crossing the world has ever seen. A massive, unyielding barrier against the power of the ocean.
Processing the economic lifeblood of 3 massive cities.
Rooted deeply into islands built by human hands. A new dawn for the Greater Bay Area. A visual masterpiece that dominates the horizon, pushing the boundaries of what is structurally possible. Safe, secure, and practically indestructible. They challenged the most dangerous waters on Earth.
And they won. This is the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge.